and breathless.
Here are some gifts. The plastic monster, the factory owner and the litter mouse.
Ha ha ha! Plastic is everywhere. Polythene bags, bottles and wrappers are covering all of that. I am ruling over most of the continents. You can find me in all shapes, sizes and colors. Ha ha ha!
My factories make so much smoke. I don't care as long as I make money. Money, money, money. It's so sunny in the rich man's world.
Who cares about keeping the world clean? Well, that's not my job, certainly. I am good at making the place dirty and smelly.
Now, the students of John's decided to advise these strong-headed kids. Dear plastic monster, you may feel great about spreading all over, but let me make you understand that you have killed so many animals in the ocean already, and your microplastic particles have even entered our food items. So to defeat this plastic monster, we need to say no to single-use plastic items like straws, cups and polythene bags. Rather use cloth bags, steel bottles and usable containers. If you can't use, then replace them. Spread awareness and encourage others. Together we can reduce the plastic pollution for sure.
Dear factory owner, you, being a human yourself, must realize the smoke from factories, vehicles, burning of garbage and harmful gases which we breathe in every second. Asthma, lung and heart diseases have increased many-fold. It's time we reduce and adapt eco-friendly ways to avoid them, and you must join us in this drive. Together, we can work towards a better tomorrow.
Factory owners should use filters in their factories. Avoid burning plastic and garbage in the open. Use bicycles or walk for short distances and plant more trees.
Well, not so dear little girl. Throwing waste all over may seem a small act to you, but causes big problem. It makes places look dirty and unpleasant. It has been great embarrassment to us when we have foreign visitors here. Apart from that, you have managed to spread diseases like soil and water contamination.
The little we can do to improve is to throw the garbage in the bin always. Separate the dry and wet waste at homes and at workplaces. Reuse and recycle paper and cans. Say no to littering even if it's just a tiny wrapper. Encourage others to do the same.
I feel so much better after seeing these young advisors and can now see a better future for myself. Thank you.
Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. If we all act with responsibility and with discipline, we can make a cleaner, safer and healthier earth. Thank you.